Executing new business ideas in emerging markets can be unpredictable, time-consuming, and labor-intensive. While accelerators often lose money, startups fail to reach their true potential, often due to a lack of unified metrics, progress tracking, or access to knowledge and capital. Startup Drill is the first AI-powered platform on the market, aimed to drastically improve the business ecosystem in developing countries. Matching a startup with the corresponding mentor is done automatically, increasing the access to knowledge in a specific field. With the specially designed gamified approach to mentoring and education, competitiveness rises along with the chance to succeed. Innovative technology ensures that AI processes bulk data and accurately predict the most successful startups, providing the accelerator with a powerful tool for cost-effective management and offering the investors an early opportunity to fund the most prospective teams. We've developed this program working closely with over 1,000 founders from 10 countries. Startup Drill platform is the only AI-powered technology that brings together founders, mentors, and investors when needed for a profitable execution of innovations in emerging economies.